What is the Sortino ratio? In the next 2 minutes, I'll explain to you why investors care. I will show you the formula, where to find the numbers, give you a simple example, and give you an idea what a typical good Sortino ratio looks like. Let's dive in. Every investment involves risk, but not all risk is bad. If your investment unexpectedly goes up, nobody complains. What investors really want to avoid are downside surprises. The Sortino ratio measures how much return an investment generates for each unit of downside risk. Let's look at the formula. Sortino ratio equals to portfolio return minus target return divided by downside deviation. The formula is pretty straightforward. Take the portfolio return, subtract the target return, it's often a risk-free rate or simply zero, then divide by downside deviation, which measures only the harmful volatility. So the higher Sortino ratio means that more return is given for every unit of downside risk. So where do we find the data? You'll often find the Sortino ratio published on fund fact sheets and investment research platforms. To calculate it yourself, you'll need historical returns, target return, and the downside deviation. Most portfolio analytics tools and spreadsheets can calculate it automatically. Let's take a look at a simple example. Suppose a portfolio return 12%, your target return is 2%, its downside deviation is 5%. So the Sortino ratio is 12% minus 2% divided by 5%, which equals to 2. Another portfolio may earn the same 12%, but have larger downside swings, resulting in a much lower Sortino ratio. Same return, more downside risk. So let's take a look at healthy versus unhealthy levels. So Sortino ratio below 1 is weak, 1 to 2 is normal, it's a good level, above 2 is excellent, and above 3 is exceptional. So the key idea is simple. The higher the Sortino ratio, the more return you're earning without taking an unnecessary downside risk. If you like this explainer, click like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.